Oh my gosh. Okay.
She's gonna fall. If she's chasing that bird, she's gonna fall.
Oh my God.
That's too thin. There's no way you're doing that. She really is a good. That punch is gonna fall, you idiot! Jesus Christ! Oh, she's gonna fall on top of us, you fucker!
Oh my God!
Hey, lady.
She's obviously done this before. Oh dear me, dear me. She's going after it. She is going after it. Look at this.
Wow, let's see that again in slow-mo.
Man, what an agile animal. What's the animal?
Surely that bird is not on the road.
She was successful. I lost a video of the leopard plucking the feathers from the bird she caught, but here's a photo of her carrying it off.